How to build credit with no credit in less than 30 days. What up? You got Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to talk to you about building credit with no credit in less than 30 days. Now, I will say this. A lot of times you see something that says in less than 30 days, but sometimes the refreshing of your credit takes 30 days minimum. I usually recommend doing it at about 35 days, but usually it may take that in order to reflect. But a lot of times it can happen beforehand and you'll see the results, or the work that you do doesn't take that long to do in order for you to benefit from it within 30 days. So I'll tell you about that a little bit more. Now, as it relates to having no credit, what you got to understand first and foremost is that everybody starts off with 300 points. Nobody starts off with zero. And that's a big thing, because a lot of people don't realize that. A lot of people think they're starting from zero, but no credit equals 300. And it's a good chance that if you won't have a 300 score. I've never seen it when a person is establishing credit that they have a 300 score. Of course, they have a 300 if they've done nothing, but most of the time when people feel like they don't have any credit, if I look at their profile, it's something there that keeps it from being just at 300. But let's just assume that you're at the base level, 300, nothing. Your social security number has never been used. You have no credit at all. What do? How do you go about building credit even though you have no credit, and how do you do it in a timely fashion? First and foremost, I want you to understand that it's a way for you to save money and build credit simultaneously. Save money and build credit. Why is that important? Because if you save money, you never lost the money. But if it also helps you build credit, then that's a win-win scenario. Imagine that you took some money that you earned or received and you put it in a place for safe keeps to come to later, but it built your credit just because it was sitting in that place. Well, that's the benefit and the power of what I'm about to share with you, with the ability for you to save money, build credit. In fact, check the link out below so you can take action on that save money, build credit link. It should say bit.ly/save money, build credit. And you can take full advantage of it. And it doesn't cost you much to do. In fact, you can start with as little as $25. As little as $25 per month being saved, and it helps you build your credit. I'll tell you a quick story, then I'll let you know the ins and outs. So basically, I had a client and their credit had nothing but negatives on it. So I knew right away that we needed to build some new credit, build some new positives on their profile in order for their score to see some type of movement in the forward direction. That being said, once I understood that, we implemented the Save Money Build Credit strategy. With that Save Money Build Credit strategy, they were able to see, in addition to what we did to help clean up their credit, they were able to see a 225-point increase. 225 points just off of what I'm sharing with you, plus us getting something removed that was on there, but this was their only positive account that was reporting to their credit profile. So had it not been for the other things that are on there, who knows where their score could have gone. So that could actually benefit you more than it benefited them. But 225 points across the board, their score increased using this strategy. So definitely do not take that lightly. So what is the platform I'm talking about? Click the available link so you can get access to it, but it's known as Self Inc. With Self Inc, you're able to save money and build credit. They set up an account that allows you to attach your social security number with their savings plan, kind of like a CD if you're familiar with that at the bank, but they attach that to your account. So that way, when you're making payments, $25 every month, they're reporting that to the bureaus, and it helps across all three bureaus. Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax benefit from someone who is using the Save Money Build Credit link down below, and it helps even more by you doing it on a continuous basis. Each month you see benefits, but then you get to a place to where you have a little nest egg, and they're willing to roll that over, if you so choose, into a secure credit card that allows you to benefit from what credit cards can do to your score, the credit utilization aspect, the whole 9 yards. So it's definitely something that you want to strongly consider if you're wanting to build credit, even though you have no credit or very little credit or no positive items reporting to your profile. Click that link, Save Money, Build Credit, and that way you can take full advantage of that strategy and thank me later. Let me know if you have any questions, any videos that you would like us to go over. If you want the free credit class, grab it down below. If you would like to set up a free consultation to see if it's any way that we can assist you, if we're a good fit for one another, we'd be glad to do so. But that's all I got for this video. See you on the next one. Mr. Smith, signing out.